Hi, I'm just going to come on here and talk to you guys about putting the LED lights into our lantern ornaments and lanterns. I use 3M backing on the interior portion of the back um, part of the ornament. I just inserted the lights through the hole in the back and got the battery pack where I wanted it. You can put it wherever you want. I just kind of put it, there. Now I'm peeling the 3M, tape off, or the cover off. I did add hot glue to the opening. In hindsight, I do not believe you need to do this. This is the first time I tried this, and I do not believe that that step is needed because the 3M adhesive actually holds the lights very well. Once I let the hot glue dry, I do just kind of evenly start putting the lights in a circular motion around the, evenly across the back of the, or the interior of the back, portion. All I'm doing is just, I will embed the lights and then I'll go back and embed the kind of string between the lights. Here in a second, you'll see me turn on the lights, and what I'm doing there is my goal is just to spread the lights themselves evenly along the back of the interior of the back panel so that the lighting is even. There's no wrong or right way to do this. I just randomly put them in order, but what I did was just make sure that all the lights and the string between the lights were very well within the adhesive, because my concern was I did not want them to come apart in the future, but this looks like it's going to hold very, very well. I did do this, and you'll see me here. I'm just, firmly embedding them just to make sure, and I'm wiggling it just to again, make sure. I did do this with hot glue, and I will put a video up of that as well. But I do like the 3M adhesive much better because it was much faster. Either way works, but I just wanted to show you this. I do take 3M circular pieces and adhere the battery pack to the back of the ornament. That way it makes it easy to access the ornament and change the batteries if needed. So that is that, and you can watch the full video of making the whole ornament on YouTube. Thanks. Bye-bye.